Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I have been wanting to shoot this video for quite a while. It's a 5-minute makeup challenge. I know it's been pretty popular on YouTube a while back, but I've never had a chance to actually shoot it. So I'm doing it today, but it turns out it took me a little bit longer. It took me about 7 minutes because I like to talk when I do my makeup. But it is, I think, so achievable to do your makeup in 5 minutes. I personally love doing it super quick in the morning because I like a very natural makeup look and I usually don't have more time than that. So keep on watching to see me fail and do it in 7 minutes. Enjoy. So I have my 5-minute timer right in front of me. I'm gonna start it right now. So let's get going. Start. And all right, so the first product I'm going to use is a moisturizer. This here is by Codex, which I'm obsessed with. Such a beautiful, new, clean brand. And I really love their packaging. And I love that it's 100% clean. So I'm putting that onto my face to put a little bit of moisture onto. And you can see it gives me immediately an amazing glow. All right, then next product, I'm not gonna show you the packaging, but this is it. This is it. And it is something I've been working on since quite a while now, and I wanna share it with you guys. I'm gonna put that with an exciting brush onto my face. I love it so much. It's 100% clean. It's a foundation / concealer that you can wear all over your face or just in needed areas. I've been wearing this literally every single day. I love it so much and I can't wait to share more about it very soon. So I'm buffing that into my skin. And what's really nice about it is you can just tap it with your finger, and if there's certain areas you need a little bit more concealed, you can go and then buff it into with your brush. All right, and as you all know, I don't love a full foundation. I just like sort of like the areas which I feel like are really red in my face to cover up, but I like a very kind of natural finish on my skin. So that's it. That's for my cover up, and then I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows, and I'm using a product here called Say, and I love this brow gel. It's tinted. I've been obsessed with this brand. Again, it's really clean, and this brow gel is amazing because it's not sticky and it's made out of butter. So it's not a gel, it's made out of these natural butters, and it just does such a beautiful job where I don't even feel like I need a pencil to fill them in. It gives me a really beautiful shape and a little bit darker than what I want them to look like. That's all I'm doing on my brows. Say, again, is the name of the product. And then I'm moving on to my eyes, which I'm gonna keep super simple. I'm gonna use a Tom Ford Cream Shadow, one of my favorites products. I'm gonna just stick my finger in, apply it kind of like onto the eyelid. You can just use your fingers for that. And I love the finish of this. It just gives me a really nice sort of sparkle in my eye. And I don't really want more than that. Just a little bit of highlight onto my eye. Keep it super simple. You can always go in if you want to with a dome brush and blend it a little bit more. Perfect. Now I don't know what I'm doing this time. I have no idea. The timer is gonna go off at 1 second, but I'm gonna just keep on going. I'm gonna curl my lashes. And by the way, a 5-minute makeup is anyway my absolute favorite makeup look on myself. I never have more than that on time. And I don't like to wear too much makeup in my personal life, so this is perfect. I think 5 minutes is a really good amount of time to do your makeup. All right, let's move on to mascara. I'm using my CoverGirl mascara here. This guy, I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. And I'm gonna put that onto my lashes. I love this mascara. It just has been in my kit for so many years and it never does me wrong. It gives you a really nice full lash without clumping. All right, let's do the other side. For natural makeup look, I don't like to put mascara on the lower lashes, so I'm just gonna do it on top. Now I'm gonna go back with my Tom Ford cream blusher, my Tom Ford cream shadow. It has this little powder shadow. Oh my god, it's already 5 minutes. I was way too... Shoot! I'm talking too much. Well, I'm not done. So I gotta keep on going. I'm sorry guys. I thought I can do this in 5 minutes, but I'm almost done. All right. For my bronzer, I'm gonna go in with my Kosas bronzer. It's a new bronzer. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of that onto my cheeks. Perfect. And a little bit of powder if you want to. This here is by Dear Dahlia. It's a clean powder. I'm going to just use the same brush and put that a little bit into my T-zone. Almost done, almost done, almost done. And then I'm gonna use this Chantecaille lip balm, which is tinted. And that's it. I was a little late, guys, sorry. That's it. A little bit over 5 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching. I am super excited that I had a chance to give you a sneak peek about my absolutely top secret project I've been working on over the past year, and I cannot believe it's finally happening, and I can't wait to share more about it very soon. And all the products I use today are some of the products I personally love and use all the time. And again, thanks so much for watching, always supporting me, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.